Hi 326 Express family. I'm a married woman aged 26 years. We have one kid, a boy. Nyaya yangu inoti remei. In fact, this is the first time opening up after it happened 3 years ago. I got married into a very wealthy family. Kwatinobva, hatina pfuma yakawanda. So I remember one holiday, takaenda kumusha, ndichangobva kuroorwa, and I was 4 weeks pregnant. I remember on this particular day, it was very hot. I asked my husband, andiisire mvura ndigeze, tisati tarara. The bathroom yacho yaiva panze. Ndakabuda kunogeza, ndikaturika hembe dzangu padoor. Ndakati ndichigeza, ndakanzwa tsoka dzichifamba kuuya kwandaiva nerambi. As the light was drawing closer, I started kukupa mvura kuti munhu azive kuti mune munhu. Zvisinei door rakavhurwa, ndikaona baba, tezvara vangu vakamira padoor, vachindivheneka nelight. Ndakashaya pekubata orojira kuti ndizvivhare muviri wangu. The strange thing, he stood there without saying anything for about 30 seconds, which felt like an hour to me. So I asked him to close the door and leave, and he did after staring at me for a short while. Clearly, it was not a mistake, but the biggest mistake that I made was not telling my husband about this. I felt embarrassed and ashamed. I was only 23 years old, new in marriage too. My brain was thinking, who would believe me? And as a new Muroora, wouldn't I be bringing drama to the family? That night, munhu.Zvisinei. In the morning, Baba was acting all normal and I just couldn't stand it. My husband drove me back to Harare to get checked, and just when we got home, I miscarried. Since that day, I've never gone to kumusha again. Deep down, I feel ndakaitwa na baba, but I never said a word to my husband. This caused serious issues for my husband nehama dzake. My hot topic is Baba is not feeling well, and my husband's family asked murume wangu kuti vauye kuzogara kuno vachirapwa. It's been a very difficult 5 days trying to think kuti ndinosara navo sei, handina nyaya navo, I dislike him, ndine bundu mumoyo. We have met a few times at family events. I can't believe 3 years later I'm still triggered by this. My hot topic question kudare is, was I wrong for not sharing this with my husband? Is it right to finally break the silence and ask Baba what really happened that night, kumusha, and why he did what he did 3 years ago? I'm looking forward to your help.